Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Acharya Vishwendra, and today I'm going to discuss some of the worksheets. So this is the first worksheet on elasticity, basically on stress, strain, dimensions, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity. Very basic questions on that. So these are the basic concepts or the basic terms, and this is solved so that you can check that you have at least a basic understanding of the topic. Then here is a problem on the road, calculation of longitudinal stress, strain, the numericals based on longitudinal stress, then calculation of a strain if Young's modulus is given, then elastic potential energy density, then elastic potential energy stored. Then we have a question on open area is given to you and we need to calculate the longitudinal stress, the shear stress ratio. Then we have a question based on algebraic of a force is acting at an angle theta, and we need to calculate the various parameters like cross-section area, longitudinal stress, shear stress ratio. Then we have a table-based question that stress is a scalar quantity, it is also a scalar SI unit, CGS unit, and dimensions. So these are the very basic level questions needed to check your basic understanding of the topic. Let's move on to the next worksheet. So here are the graph-based question, the worksheet on the graph-based question, and it says that according to Hooke's law, the questions are on Hooke's law itself. Then the graphs based on that, stress strain graph, then calculation of elasticity modulus from the stress strain graph. Then there are questions on finding elasticity modulus like this. Then dimensional formula based question of various terms. So these are the basic level worksheets needed to check your basic understanding of the topic. Then we have another question on, I think this we have solved. Let's move ahead. Then we have a question on stress strain graph analysis as shown in figure, and calculation of various limits like proportional limit, yield point, elastic limit, yield strength, after what point strain is non-zero while stress may be zero. So there are the corresponds to the ultimate strength, fracture point, brittle material, ductile material, stress strain curve for elastic tissue of aorta. Then does it follow Ohm's law? So the basic substantial level question on that, needed to check your basic understanding of the topic. Then we have another question on Young's modulus dimension, SI unit, CGS unit, factors on which Young's modulus depends, various numerical calculations based on Young's modulus. Then certain questions on shear modulus, rigidity modulus, for most of the materials, relation between shear modulus and Young's modulus. Then is some results based on dimension of bulk modulus, SI unit, CGS unit, ratio, reciprocal of bulk modulus, compressibility unit. So certain questions based on that. So you've seen that this is the basic level worksheet needed to make sure that you have masterized the basic concepts of the basic facts, the terms related to the topic. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the doubt section. Thank you and have a nice day.